In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Samsung TV error code 107. So this error code is actually a very common one that a lot of people will face, and it's actually not a severe issue at all, and it's very easy to fix. Now, if you have this remote here or the newer one, it doesn't actually matter. If you have a slightly different model of TV, it also doesn't matter because the error code remains the same across all different variations of the Samsung TV. So what generally happens with this error code is that if you try and go into some kind of app or something, it will give you the code. Now you can see on my screen, I've got a slightly different code, but the reason for the code is generally going to be the same. So what's happening here is that the TV itself is not connected to the internet. So it's having problems connecting to your Wi-Fi. Now to fix this, there are many different ways you can go ahead and do that. Obviously, you can go ahead and actually connect the Wi-Fi to the TV via the connection settings. So you go to settings and you find it wirelessly. But one of the better ways to do this so you don't actually have this problem is to get yourself one of these cables. So this cable here is an Ethernet cable. And the way that it works is it plugs directly into your router, your internet router. And what you can do is you can go ahead and actually plug it directly into the back of the TV, and the error code 107 should go away. Now, to actually connect it, you need to go ahead, and it's pretty easy, it's pretty directional, which is good. You need to go ahead and plug it in the back here, next to where the HDMI ports actually are. So you plug it in, it will click, and it should immediately say at the top that the Wi-Fi has been connected. And so if I give you guys an example here, I'm going to plug it in, you'll hear it click, and then within a few seconds, it should tell you that the Wi-Fi is connected. There we go. And so from then on, the issue should be solved, and you should be able to go ahead and use your TV as normal. If you found this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe. Let me know if it did help you out in the comments down below, and let me know if there's any other videos you'd like me to make. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.